With more and more business going online, it's increasingly important to prioritize your customers' online security. In this lesson, we'll examine the security of your main points of contact with your users and customers, your website, email, and online products. Let's start with your website. It's important to make sure only people whose job involves managing your website can access the systems you use to update and host it. You should also use HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS encrypts the connection between a user's browser and a website. This can help protect the information sent and received by making it more difficult for people to eavesdrop. It's a good idea to use HTTPS to protect your website, even if you don't think you handle sensitive information. This is because any information about a visit to a website can potentially reveal sensitive details about the visitor. For example, if your website contains open text fields, a user may accidentally or unwittingly enter contact details or other data that might compromise their security if it fell into the wrong hands. Apart from the benefit to your website security, moving to HTTPS can improve your website's ranking on search engines. For example, Google Search uses HTTPS as a positive ranking signal. Protecting your business online doesn't stop with your website. Another area to consider is your email. Choosing an email provider that supports encryption is an important step towards protecting your business and your customers. Choose a provider that uses Transport Layer Security, TLS, like Gmail or Outlook, to make sure your communications are encrypted. Two-step verification isn't just a good way to help secure your company email accounts. It's useful for anything you log into, not just email. If your business builds and sells online services or software, consider making two-step verification part of your product. Giving your users and customers the option of using two-step verification will help them to keep their accounts safe when accessing your product. To wrap up, in this lesson we've covered security for your website, email and online products. We've looked at securing your site with HTTPS and why it's important for you and your customers. We've also covered what to ask from your email provider to encrypt your communications. And finally, we've explored how you can make access to your online products more secure. Following these steps will help increase website and communications security and provide benefits for you and your customers.